Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be learning how to connect the letters. So if you are a beginner in cursive writing, don't hurry to connect your letters. First, learn your individual letters, the individual alphabets. This technique you can teach to your kids also. Once you are done with your cursive writing, once you learned letters, then try to connect these letters. Instead of creating a different words in cursive, try to connect your letters, the alphabet, the ABCD. So now we will connect this ABCD. My A ends here, so I'll start my B from here. I'll start my C from here and D from here, E from here, F from here, then my G will look like this, same way H, then I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So this is how our letters will get connected. So once you will get the ideas about extending the tail of your alphabet. Tail means, for example, I'm writing A, so this is the tail of A. So our next alphabet will start from the tail of your previous alphabet. So what you need to focus is on the tails of your alphabets. What you need to stretch. As I stretch this from B, this is the tail of B. So I can draw my C from here. I can write my C from here. This is the tail of a C. So I can take this and I can write my D. Now this is the tail of E. So I can take this and I can write my E. This is the tail of E. I'll take this and I'll write my F. This is the tail of F. I'll take this and I'll write my G. This is the tail of G. Similarly, I'll write my H. So on. So once you are done with this, once you know this technique, then you can connect your alphabets. You can connect your words in cursive. Now let's write apple. So as I said, this is my tail of A. So I'll take this and I'll draw my P. This is the tail of my P. I'll write another P. This is the tail of P. I'll take L from here and E from the tail of L. Then you will be able to write cursive perfectly. Now let's write ball. So this is my B and this is the tail of my B. I'll write A from here and L from here. If you want your kids or if you are learning cursive, this is the basic steps to start cursive writing. Now let's try writing some other word. Cat. Now let's write a dog. This is my D. This is tail of my D. I'll take O from here, G from here, dog. So this is how the cursive lettering works. If you know the ABCD, the cursive ABCD, this is your first step in learning cursive ABCD, cursive writing. So first you need to learn the cursive ABCD, then learn to connect the ABCD, that is your second step, and then you will be able to connect your spellings, connect your words. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like this video and you find this useful, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It will be a great help. Thank you so much.